This is what a project looks like in Dcipher when you've just imported data. In this case, our dataset contains 1000 tweets. The schema workbench shows the schema of the imported dataset. It tells us how the dataset is structured and what fields it contains. You can resize a workbench from the bottom right corner, or maximize or reset it from the top right corner. You can furnish the workspace with any number of workbenches. Click Insert Workbench and add the workbenches you want to use. Each workbench has its own way of projecting data. It provides a window into the data and helps interpret and understand it. But workbenches are more than just views for displaying static data. They provide different options for working with the data as well. You define the inputs into a workbench by dragging and dropping data from one workbench to another. For example, dropping a dataset in the table view displays it in an Excel-like fashion. Although unlike Excel, in Dcipher both flat and nested data can be displayed. Dropping a field in the bubble workbench aggregates the values and displays them as bubbles or words depending on the settings. Additional fields can be used as parameters for bubble size and color. Dropping a field in the bar chart workbench aggregates the values and displays them as bars. You can drop additional fields to set other parameters of the chart.